This is exercise 1.1, question number 2. Show that the relation R in the set R of real numbers defined as R equals to A, B such that A less than and equal B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So we need to show that here neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So let's move to question. First we will see reflexive here. So we take here example as 1/2 greater than 1/4. For 1/2, 1/4 belongs to real number. We take dark as a real number. So that is, we can write 1/2 less than, does not less than 1/2, because we will get 1/4. If we do 1/2 square, so we will get 1/4. You know the condition of reflexive. I can write here, if A belongs to any set, then A belongs to relation. That is the condition of reflexive. So here we took 1/2 as a and belongs to real number. So the relation here less than and equal, A less than equal B square. So we take 1/2 greater than 1/4. So if we put A 1/2 and another element also A, because reflexive A to A, so we will get 1/4. So 1/4 never be less than, never be greater than 1/2. So we can say therefore A does not belongs to R. For all A belongs to real number, isn't it? So we can write here, hence R is not reflexive. Isn't it? Now we will go further. Symmetric. So let's see. We need to take here two element. A, B belongs to set A. So here set A is real number, we can say. So here as we take 2 and 5 belongs to real number, isn't it? Now see what is the relation. And relation is 2 less than 5. It is correct. That is, we can write here, that is 2 must be less than 5 square, isn't it? Because the relation is A less than or equal B square. So we take the square of 5 here. Now see, 2,5 belongs to R. But here 5 does not less than 2 square. So 2 square is, we can say, 5 less than, does not less than 4. 2 square is 4. So here, therefore, if 5 belongs to 5 comma 2 belongs to, does not belongs to R. If 2 comma 5 belongs to R, but 5 comma 2 does not belongs to R. So hence R is not symmetric as well. Now see next. So we need to take here 3 value. We take any value, not same I took. So we take here 3 minus 2 minus 1. So these are 3 values belongs to real number, isn't it? Now see if 3 comma minus 2 belongs to R, implies 3 less than minus 2 square. Why? Because it is the relation here, A less than B square. So we will get 3 less than 4. It is true. Now next we will take and minus 2 comma minus 1 belongs to R, implies minus 2 always less than minus 1 square, as implies we will get square of minus 1 1. So for 1 and 2, 3 never, and also since 3 comma minus 1 does not belongs to R. Why? Because 3 can never be less than minus 1 square, implies 3 never less than 1. So we can say R is not transitive. Is not transitive. Isn't it? Now we can write here, therefore R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Hence proved. It is question number 2. This is question number 3. Check whether the relation are defined as any set. We can take any set as a R is a relation, and defined is a set, say A, we can write A here, no problem. So we need to check here it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So first convert it into roster form. So here B equals to A plus 1. Here these are the value of A. So first we put 1, so we get the value of A is 2. So 1 comma 2 we can write here. If we put 2, so we get 3, we will get 3 here. So 2 3, same as if we put 3 here, 3 4. If we put 4, so we get 4 5, and we get 5, we will get 6, and put 6, so we will get 7. It is the roster form, isn't it? Now first we will check it is reflexive or not. So here reflexive. So as 1 comma belongs to set A, can say, and 1 comma 1 does not belongs to relation. You can see in relation 1 comma 1 does not belongs to. So in this case we can say therefore R is not reflexive. Now see symmetric, it is symmetric or not. Same, we need to take 2 element in symmetric as 2 comma 3 belongs to set A, 2 comma 3 belongs to set A, then 2 comma 3 belongs to R, here 2 comma 3, but you can see 3 comma does not belongs to R. You can see in relation 2 comma 3, but here 3 comma is not present. So therefore R is not symmetric. Now last one is transitive. In transitive we can take 3 element as we will take here 1 2 3 and 4, 2 3 and 4 belongs to set A. Okay, so we will take if 2 comma 3 belongs to R and 3 comma belongs to R. You can see in set 2 comma 3 present, 2 comma 3 present, and 3 comma 4 also present in relation, but 2 comma 4 is not present in relation. 2 comma 4 is not here. in set R, in relation R. So we can say therefore R is not transitive. Hence we can write R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. This is the third question, sorry. So hope you understood each and every part of this question. If you have got any problem, kindly write me on comment box, then I will reply you. Thank you.